way back home. What you guys don't know about V2 is that I've been working 10 to 8 almost every day pretty much. It's been pretty much every day since the last month. And I've been sleeping pretty late. Work 10 to 8, come home, eat dinner, go straight to work. Dedication is pretty much the only thing that's been getting me through, and all you guys, of course. Everybody has been very supportive of my build. If I need any help, I have all my friends coming through helping me out. Shout out to you guys. Besides that, everything's been great. I just want this to be over with. I am never building a car again. I promise you. So I'm currently installing the water temp sensor adapter. I gotta remove this hose with this from the radiator, this clamp. It's gonna get messy, so I'm gonna need both hands. I'll take a vid when I'm done. Okay, so we've cut it in half. Now I'm just gonna connect the sensors real quick. Alright, put it back in. Cut the two hoses. Well, cut the hose, make it into two. Attach the sensor adapter you can get from Z1 Motorsports. And now we're gonna attach the sensor and run the wiring where all the other wiring is going. The fact that we have to pause the music every 10 seconds because of copyright is bullshit. Alright, so I attached the adapter and I've attached the sensor to the adapter. I attached some Teflon tape to it so it stays tight. It's pretty tight. Now I'm about to measure the coolant in the reservoir with chopsticks. Definitely don't make the same mistake I did. This and this have two different tanks to fill. I kept measuring this while I was trying to get this filled. Not the best idea I've had, so I had to pull the car back and pretty much pick up all the coolant I dropped. There it is. I did not do good. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna cut this in half. Well, not in half, just right over here. So I can connect this to extend it, because I'm running it around the car into there from the passenger side and looping it around into the driver pillar. I just have no idea what I just went through. I was about to scrap this whole car, throw it all in the garbage because I couldn't find this. Still couldn't find it. Tubbs over here came through clutch. So I rewarded him with some cake. So alright, we got an update for you. Let me see. Alright, quick update. Tanks in, Z1 caps are on. If you guys know, if you don't know actually, the stock caps that come with these cars are horrible. Z1 makes some good compression caps that'll keep your car nice and safe. Got the blow-off valves installed, got the AMS intakes installed, add W1 catch can, got the coolant temp gauge pretty much hooked up from the radiator right there. It's running all the way back into there, along with the teeth for the boost gauge for the vacuum right there. Alright, besides that, the frozen boost heat exchanger, we good on that. There's really not much left to do on this car besides, oh yeah, everything is left. I'm screwed. about to leave work in about 5 or 10 minutes, and I'm about to head over to Iconic Graphix, where I'm beginning to unpeel the wrap, and we're going to begin to install the struts for the air suspension and get the car ready for Tuner Evo. Let's go.
Here's Pump Up the Jam single version by GBN Technotronic, featuring Technotronic on Amazon Music. Pump up the jam, pump it up, pump it up, yo, pump